ay kapaglaw.
Dapat malikod dito kaya wala makabalik.
Nanay, malikod nanay.
Oh, kumalitan ng tayo na wheelchair. Magdala ko sa wheelchair. Ligo ko. Masama ko sa kapaglaw. Maligo ka ng kapaglaw. Nakalimutan na dito dala ako. Ano, listig ito. Wait, something! Magala-gala na na siya! Ayun, pagkakasira! Kadako rin mong tao na ba? Tawa na pa!
Lego ka, mami.
Malikod na ta.
Kuplituhan akong video. Mukat-kat ko dito. This place is called the Rock Formation Falls. Look at the formation of the rocks. And look at this tree. It's the first time I see this kind of formation. Rocks that are straight. See? And the way to go down from here is there's like 76 steps just from over there, and from there you have to pass by through this kind of road. It's very challenging. Okay, so let's see if we can go up. I'll show you. It's like this. The road is so challenging.